Ready for the dictation? Start. The appellants were the employees in the ministerial establishment of the courts at Firozpur and Jira, having entered into service varying from the year 1952 to 1965. Stop. They are members of the Punjab Civil Courts Clerks Association. Stop. On 24th July, 1980, there was an incident in the court of Shri N. S. Mundra, Judicial Magistrate, First Class, Jira. Stop. On that day, when Jagdish Lal, a senior almad of the court, was slapped. Stop. He is one of the appellants in this appeal. Stop. On the day he was slapped, he presented a representation to the district and sessions judge Shri Nehra. Stop. An inquiry was directed to be held by the senior sub-judge, Firozpur into the incident. Stop. In this inquiry, it was found that Shri Mundra, Judicial Magistrate, Jira, slapped Jagdish Lal. Stop. This incident caused resentment in the association, and the association, therefore, felt that something should be done to demonstrate this resentment. Stop. Accordingly, it was decided by the association that a request should be made to the district and sessions judge, Firozpur, to transfer Jagdish Lal from the court at Jira to any other court so that calm could be restored. Stop. The appellants, among others, met the district and sessions judge for this purpose on 28/7/1980. Stop. It is alleged that the sessions judge did not accede to resolve the matter. The district and sessions judge adopted a hardened attitude. Stop. The matter came to the notice of the High Court. Stop. An inquiry by Justice S. P. Goyal of the High Court of Punjab and Haryana as directed to be held, and it was scheduled for 9th August 1980. Stop. He was to reach the Canal Rest House at 4 p.m., but he could reach only at 7:30 p.m. Stop. At that time, the district and sessions judge, along with other judicial officers, were present to receive him. Stop. A demonstration was organized by the subordinate court officials. Stop. There was continued slogan shouting from 4 p.m. till 7:30 p.m. before Justice Goyal's arrival. Stop. The appellants are said to have taken a prominent part in raising objectionable slogans. Stop. The appellants preferred a service appeal in the High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh. Stop. The High Court considered the various contentions raised by the appellants in detail and dismissed the appeal as having no merit. Stop. सो ये हमारी 100 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल।